Welcome to Lookbit. Today's topic: precautions for machine installation. Unpack. Take out the phone. Take out the monitor. The power supply interface of the motherboard has been connected before delivery. And the customer only needs to check whether it is loose after receiving it. Check the motherboard after receiving the goods. If there is a break or other obvious damage, do not run with the power. Some of the SSD cards we configured have no mining system. Please inform us in advance if you need to install them. After checking that the motherboard is fine, install the SSD card or USB flash drive with the system installed. Observe the flying of the motherboard with power on. Connect the display to the VGA or HDMI port. On the main board to check the system running status. After the chassis is working properly, install the graphics card. Finally, the power supply is energized to observe the operation of the whole machine. Tip: if you find a card that is not displayed in the background, then wait for the machine to run for a while. Catch which card is not hot. The one that didn't work, remove and wipe the golden finger after the power is off. And then switch the card slot and run again.